Hello folks, my name is Haki from Informatics Blasmarat University. This time I will show you how to install Android Studio. Just in case you don't know what Android Studio is, Android Studio is simply a software where you can create Android apps anything you want. First thing first, go to Google search and type Android Studio. And then you can click the first link that's shown. If you have Windows 64-bit platform, you can simply click this button and download. But if you have Mac or Linux operating system or even Windows 32-bits, you can click the download option and choose the suitable platform that can be used in your PC. Before we get started, we should know is Android Studio is suitable for your specification of your PC. Here, Windows, we need at least Windows 7 and 3 gigs RAM minimum and 8 GB RAMs recommended, and etc. If you have downloaded the software, install it. It may take time. After it's installed, there will be a window that asks you to download SDK tools. You should download it. Since I have installed on my PC, let's just jump in the Android Studio. If this is your first time installing the software, it's also the welcome window. Just click the Start a new Android Studio project, or if it's not your first time, just click File, New Project. There will be a new window pop. Fill the boxes anything you want. This time, let it default and click Next. In this part, you can select which API that you use in program that you want to make. For me, I choose API 15 because my program will run on almost and this approximately 100% of devices. Just click Next. In this window, you can choose what activity your apps use. In this case, choose empty activity and then click Next. There will be two main classes in these apps, Activity and Layout. Activity is place where you can code your apps. Layout is in the interface of the apps. When you finish setup of your apps, click Finish. It will take time for build your apps. If the process done, go to the layout and click Design. It shows you what your app looks like. But some PC have an error like my PC. We can see the text in the layout. Yeah, right? It should be Hello World in this place. To fix this, you should go change theme to anything except app theme. I use slide theme, by the way. And then click OK. Let's run our apps. To do this, click this button. If you don't have Android phone to test, create virtual device to run your apps. Then click OK. Here it is, the app that we made. You can make any Android apps with the software. Just stop learning and practicing. I would thank to my lecturer, Mr. Hassan, for making this video possible. See you next time.